everyone, this is Lauri, the soap artist behind LauriLin Design Soapworks. Today I am making a Peppermint Snowman soap for you. I created these extruder discs in the snowman shapes, the red discs in the photo here, on my computer from free clip art that I found, and then my son transformed them in the computer thing. He does the programs and stuff, and he made them into files to be printed on our 3D printer. The discs fit in a regular 19mm clay extruder I got from Amazon. The basic green one is the cheapest one. It comes with some metal discs. Anyways, after creating a batch of soap dough in the red, black, and white, I set to work extruding out the fat, strange, pasta-esque shapes that I glued together to form the snowman bodies using just distilled water. And then I used slices of this snowman linguine to decorate the top. You'll see that a little bit later. And of course, no snowman soap is complete without snow. So I used white soap dough, a little extra of that, using a confetti technique where I put the chunks of the dough into the batter and chopped it up with my stick blender before putting that in the mold. And then, of course, snowballs on top. They were tiny, a little bit extra fiddly because I think it really needed it, and I'm glad I did that. The soap pour session itself was fairly basic in that I split the soap batter into 6 colors. The first 3 layers were snow colored in grays and whites, and then the last 3 created the sky colored gradient from light blue to darker blue with that confetti snow soap dough mixed throughout. And very fitting, the soap is scented with peppermint essential oil, perfect for the winter snow holiday season. Super cute. So, now, while you watch me work, I wanted to share with you the history behind the Frosty the Snowman song, and evidently the whole brand, as per encyclopedia.com. So during the Christmas season of 1950, a new holiday song was introduced that told the tale of an inanimate snowman that came to life to spread good cheer. Written by Steve Nelson and Jack Rollins, Frosty the Snowman became an international hit recording and a permanent part of many people's Christmas celebrations. The lovable jolly snowman, which possessed a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal, became as recognizable as any other non-religious Christmas symbol like Santa Claus and Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. The popularity of the 1950 song led to the publication of a golden book featuring the character a year later. The children's book, which was written by Annie North Bedford and illustrated by Corinne Malvern, was a great success and further increased Frosty's popularity. In the 1960s, 10 years later, Frosty leapt from the printed page and landed on television. The first and most popular Frosty-based holiday TV special was simply titled Frosty the Snowman, and this was in 1969. It was narrated by comedian Jimmy Durante. The TV script expanded upon the original song's premise. Frosty is confronted by a washed-up magician who wants the silk top hat that gave Frosty life. The special also teaches children a message about the power of friendship and kindness. Santa appears on the conclusion to take Frosty to his new home in the North Pole. Comedian Jackie Vernon provided the voice of Frosty on this and other holiday programs. A couple years later, in 1976, Frosty returned to TV in Frosty's Winter Wonderland. And in this special, the lonely snowman's friends, who are children, make him a wife named Crystal. The voice of Crystal was provided by actress Shelley Winters. Andy Griffith served as the narrator of the story. And the 1979 holiday season saw the first showing of Rudolph and Frosty's Christmas in July. This TV special teamed the snowman with Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer in an adventure in which they confronted the evil wizard Winterbolt. In 1998, Michael Keaton starred in Jack Frost, a live-action film that was based partly on the Frosty tale. The film tells of a neglectful dad who dies and comes back to life as a snowman in his son's front yard. That's a little creepy. So no doubt Frosty the Snowman will continue to live on, even though he melts every year, but then he lives at the North Pole with Santa. Anyways, I think every year I watch the original. The other ones, I'm like, yeah, no more. No, don't need that. They get weird. But the first one's pretty solid. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching the soap today. I really enjoyed making it. And yeah, have a good snowy season. Bye.